Today's essay, titled Mathematical Patterns in Nature, Unveiling the Architecture. Introduction. Nature has long captivated humanity with its awe-inspiring beauty and intricate designs. From the spirals of seashells to the branching patterns of trees, mathematical patterns are prevalent throughout the natural world. This essay aims to explore the mathematical patterns found in nature and propose a hypothesis regarding the underlying architecture that gives rise to these patterns. By examining various examples and considering the principles of mathematics, we can gain insights into the mysterious relationships between mathematics and nature. Mathematical patterns in nature. 1. Fibonacci sequence. One of the most well-known mathematical patterns in nature is the Fibonacci sequence. This sequence, where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on, can be observed in the arrangement of leaves on a stem, the spirals of a pine cone, or the petals of a flower. The ratio between consecutive Fibonacci numbers, known as the golden ratio, also appears in various natural structures. 2. Fractals. Fractals are intricate geometric patterns that exhibit self-similarity at different scales. They can be found in the branching patterns of trees, the intricate shapes of snowflakes, or the coastline of the land mass. Fractals are characterized by their ability to repeat their structure infinitely, creating complex and beautiful forms. 3. Symmetry. Symmetry is another mathematical pattern commonly observed in nature. It can be seen in the bilateral symmetry of animals, the hexagonal symmetry of honeycombs, or the radial symmetry of flowers. Symmetry reflects the balance and harmony found in nature, and it is often governed by mathematical principles such as reflection, rotation, or translation. 4. Logarithmic spirals. Logarithmic spirals, such as the shape of a seashell or the arrangement of sunflower seeds, are another mathematical pattern found in nature. These spirals exhibit a constant growth rate and maintain the same shape as they expand. The logarithmic spiral is closely related to the golden ratio, further highlighting the connection between mathematics and natural forms. Hypothesis. The architecture of nature based on the mathematical patterns observed in nature. A hypothesis can be proposed regarding the architecture of nature. It suggests that nature's design is governed by fundamental mathematical principles and processes. This hypothesis posits that the intricate patterns and structures found in the natural world emerge from the interaction of mathematical concepts such as symmetry, fractals, and logarithmic spirals. The architecture of nature may be rooted in the principles of optimization and efficiency. Mathematical patterns allow organisms and natural systems to maximize their functionality while minimizing energy expenditure. For example, the branching patterns of trees optimize sunlight absorption, while the spiral arrangements of seeds maximizes space utilization. Furthermore, the hypothesis suggests that the presence of mathematical patterns in nature is not a mere coincidence, but rather a result of the underlying laws and processes governed by the universe. Mathematics provides a language to describe and understand these patterns, offering insights into the fundamental principles that shape the natural world. Conclusion. Mathematical patterns are abundant in nature, from the Fibonacci sequence to fractals and symmetries. These patterns provide evidence of deep connection between mathematics and the architecture of nature. The hypothesis proposed suggests that nature's design is governed by fundamental mathematical principles, allowing for optimization, efficiency, and the emergence of intricate and beautiful forms. Further exploration and research are needed to unravel the mysteries of this relationship and deepen our understanding of the mathematical patterns that permeate the natural world.